additional legislative vehicles that will go through the House and then the Senate that will allow some of
I think
the
the president.
Any major changes, or is it?
I think the president has said before he wants to hear members' ideas. He believes that this bill encompasses the best of ideas and the best way forward. But again, we're going to let the process work its will through the House and then subsequently through the Senate. And if members have ideas, we want to hear them, want them to be part of it. It's not. This isn't getting jammed through, and we welcome that. And that's why the president continues to meet with folks. You know, he met with individuals yesterday. He's continuing to meet with them today. He's going to be hitting the road. He wants to hear members of Congress, outside groups, physicians, healthcare providers, patients. But he wants people to have an input in this to make sure that we have the best possible bill that serves their needs, and that we don't look back like we do now with Obamacare and say, I wish we had done this right.
place, talking to local leaders. We believe that the more we talk about a comprehensive...
As I mentioned the last couple of days, we're not jamming this down people's throat. We're welcoming ideas and thoughts. We think this is the vehicle to restore a patient-centered healthcare bill to drive down costs. And I think Senator Cotton clearly recognizes that the current version of healthcare that's out there right now is not sustainable. And so we welcome his input into this process. We think that the work that we've done prior to putting this together with the House is something that reflects a lot of the best ideas, and we would continue to welcome his input on this.
Walk away from it and help out the small businesses.
Well, as far as the president's, obviously the president has made very clear in that December press conference at Trump Tower
He would not.
He
sign
is
it.
going to land on his desk because we're going to go through this process.
Repeal without replace.
Well, again, I think the way that we're doing now, I think, is the right and the responsible way to do this. This bill will land on the president's desk. He will sign it. We will repeal Obamacare, and we'll put into place a system that will be patient-centered, that will allow the American people to have greater choice and lower costs. Blake.
their recommendations and their observations and edits and questions with respect to their budget. So